My dad could be dying right now.
No, look, listen, bro.
Look, bro, this is my dad, and he could be dying,
it,
okay? If you guys are scared or worried or whatever, then do that, but I'm not.
There's certain things that we have to do and get.
Okay, but you can't stop me from going in.
Bro, look.
You can't stop me from going in.
All right, well.
He's stabbing the dad.
Hey, drop the knife!
Drop it!
Drop it!
Drop it!
December 3rd, 2025. The 17,200 block of Valerio Street in West Valley, Los Angeles. What was dispatched as a routine mental health call was, in reality, the final chapter of a decade-long cycle of violence. To understand the gravity of this encounter, we have to go back to the moment the clock started ticking. This is the 911 call that set everything in motion, recorded at 8:10 a.m.
LA City 911. Hello, City Police, Fire Department, paramedics.
Okay, go 17 Valerio Street. My son is mentally, he's getting crazy. Go now, it's emergency.
Okay, well, how old is your son?
20 years old, but he's the dad, with the dad, and it's emergency. I think he's doing something to...
All right, ma'am, ma'am, answer my questions. What is he diagnosed with?
Schizophrenia.
Okay. One moment, okay? And what's his name?
Joshua Bonilla, 17 Valerio Street.
St. Louis Valley Unit, male mental illness, 17 Valerio Street, subject to the son, male Hispanic, 40 years, diagnosed with schizophrenia, code 2 incident 1000 or 1017.
The mention of schizophrenia and his violent history immediately escalates this to a high-level threat. For dispatch, this isn't just a mental health check. It is a warning of an active predator.
Hi, officer.
Hey, what's going on?
My mom called about my brother.
Oh.
He's schizophrenic.
Yeah.
And he did this a couple months ago. He attacked my dad.
Okay.
I called my dad and he answered the phone.
Hold on. Just kind of give us a little rundown. What happened?
I believe he attacked my dad. I don't doubt he stabbed
now?
him 10 years ago. He almost killed him. He stabbed him. He went to prison for a few years. Came out, went back to prison because he beat my mom. Came out, beat my dad up 2 months ago. Nothing happened. And then now he's probably doing the same thing.
Okay.
I'll take the keys.
The brother is not just giving a statement. He is providing a real-time lethality assessment. His desperation tells the officers that for Joshua, violence is not a possibility. It is a proven pattern.
Hey, dude. Where's my dad right now?
Hello?
Dude,
Hello? Hey, come out. What's his name? Joshua. Hey, Joshua, come out. Come outside, dude. Come talk to us. Hey, it's me, Benito, dude. Come talk to me. Come outside. It's police officer. Come outside, dude. Come talk to me, eh? Let's just have a conversation, make sure you're okay, and that's it. Can you come outside with your hands up? Joshua.
Are you guys waiting for backup?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna go in myself, man.
Just stand by. Look, stand by, bro.
My dad could be dying right now.
No, look, listen, bro.
Look, bro, this is my dad, and he could be
I
dying,
get it.
okay? If you guys are scared or worried or whatever, then do that, but I'm not.
There's certain things that we have to do and get.
Okay, but you can't stop me from going in.
Bro, look.
You can't stop me from going in.
All right, well.
The air is thick with a brutal conflict. Police protocol versus raw human instinct. While officers wait for a radio signal to clear, the brother hears only the ticking of his father's life running out. Imagine the agony of being held back by the very people sworn to protect you. If your father was behind that door and every second meant another drop of blood lost, would you wait for backup? Or would you risk everything to break through? Tell us in the comments, what would you do?
Hey.
Hey, sir, just wait up. We're gonna open the door.
Hey, just wait up, bro.
We're gonna go inside. Just wait over there.
Just wait,
Last
bro.
thing we want is something to happen to you too.
Nothing's gonna happen to me.
Here. Just wait, dude. We'll go in there, dude. Don't worry about it.
Dad, unlock the door?
Yeah.
You said no firearms, right?
No, there's no firearms. My dad doesn't own it. We all
Cover me.
Yeah, I got you.
10-8-99, yes.
He said my dad's in the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here to your left, but he's probably in the one down the hallway.
Hey, Josh. Hey, do me a favor. Go back. Hey, Joshua. It's the Los Angeles Police Department. Come out with your hands up. Joshua, it's the Los Angeles Police Department. Come out with your hands up.
So we got it. That's fine. Joshua, come out.
21-843 traffic stop
What's up?
Platinum Big 39 John 10 Zebra 803.
Hey, you see that unit already here?
It's going to be related to another incident. There's 2 units.
No responsible 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it.
I got it.
Just take the cover. 1039, Roger. Can you expedite the response code 3? We have a possible victim inside due to the history.
The house has gone completely silent. No response. No movement. Is Joshua waiting to ambush the officers? Or has the clock already run out for his father? Based on his violent history, what do you expect to find behind that door?
Hey, come out.
Knife.
Hey,
to the right, to the right.
Hey, drop it. Drop the knife, man. Drop the knife.
Right hand.
Hold on, let me open it.
Get the dad out. Call the dad out.
He's opening up with the dad.
Hey, drop it.
Dad looks unconscious.
Hey, just know that we have
I'm holding it.
out.
Drop the knife, bro. Drop the knife.
You're gonna get shot.
Hey, get the
Drop the knife.
Scissors in the right hand. Dad is on the bed. He looks unconscious. He's
Stop
stabbing. He's stabbing the dad.
Hey, drop the knife.
Drop it.
He's stabbing.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Legally, the decision to fire was instantaneous and forced. Under the Graham versus Connor standard, officers are authorized to use deadly force to prevent imminent death or serious injury to another person. This is known as the defense of others doctrine. Because Joshua was delivering active stabbings to his defenseless father, there was no time for a taser or further negotiation. In this split second, the use of a firearm was the only way to stop a murder in progress. The final report from this incident confirms a heartbreaking reality. Both the suspect, Joshua Bonilla, and his father, Elias Bonilla, were pronounced deceased at the scene by Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics. Investigators later determined that Elias died from numerous fatal stab wounds, while Joshua succumbed to the gunfire from the responding officers. While the investigation by the Los Angeles Police Department and the Office of the Inspector General is ongoing, the use of deadly force appears consistent with the Graham versus Connor standard, as the officers acted to stop an immediate and lethal attack on a defenseless victim. This case remains a grim education on the limitations of our current mental health and legal systems. It is a reminder that when the gap between treatment and public safety is not bridged, the burden often falls on the shoulders of the officers on the street and the families behind closed doors. If you value this level of deep objective analysis into the most difficult moments in law enforcement, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw. We dive past the headlines to bring you the truth behind the badge. What is your verdict on this tragedy? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.